Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. As our previous session, I have told you about biopesticides, advantage of biopesticides, types of biopesticide, about microbial biopesticides, some bacterial biopesticides, and today I have told you about plant incorporate proactants, which is called PIPS also. There's also as a this is the types of biopesticides, biopesticidal substances that plant produce from the genetic material being added to the plant. As the pest feeded on such a plants, they will eventually die. And botanical biopesticides are they are naturally occurring that material that may be crude preparation of the plant parts ground to the produce as a dust or powder that can be used in a full strength or dilute form in a carrier such as a clay, talc, and azadirachtin affect the reproductive and digestive process of the paste. And several plants based on the insecticides as the nicotinides, natural paraffins, retinoids, neem products. So these are generally biopesticides. Biochemical pesticides, they are naturally occurring substances to the control pest by non-toxic mechanism. Biochemical pesticides including substances as insect sex pheromones that interfere with mating that attract insect species to the traps, and some synthetic attractants are a lure in trap used to monitor pest population, as a lure in the trap designed to the trap out a pest population, as a broadcast signal intended to disrupt insect mating, as an attractant in bait containing as an insecticides. Biotin agents and natural enemies, predators. They consume several to the many prey over the course of their development. They are free living. They are usually big and bigger their prey and lead like lady beetles, roe beetles, lacewings, bugs, Posidius, aureus, flies, larvas, mantids, spiders. So these are such as a kind of predators, and they are also using as a biotin agents. Parasitoids. Parasitoids are almost the same size as their host, and their development always kills to the host insects. A adult parasite deposit one or more eggs into the onto the body as a host insects, and somewhere is the host habitat. The larva that hatches from the eat egg feed internally or externally the host tissues can body fluid, consuming it slowly. Later in the development, the host dies and the parasites, puppets inside or outside is the host body. So these are the example of Trichoderma, Echinaceae, Mucidiferous. These are kind of parasitoid. There is also a biopesticide. And for our conclusion about the biopesticides, biopesticides are typically microbial biological pest control are applied in the manner of similar to chemical pesticides and available in different formulation, also used to control soil-borne and seed-borne fungal pathogens. And disadvantage of them are high specificity, slow speed of action, and requirement of suitable condition of their survival. Even though biopesticides are best to control the pest agriculture than the chemicals. So as compared to the chemical, we have to use the biopesticide. They are more useful compared and to the chemical pesticide because they have environment friendly, non toxic, non pathogen. They have some kind of activities, so we have to prefer biopesticides as compared to chemical pesticides. Therefore, they should be more work on production to the biopesticide, encourage people to buy pesticide to control the pest. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.